Hello! In this video I unbox multifunctional inkjet PIXMA printer. I cover the following, and for more details on a product, check my review. These models may have different names in different countries and use different cartridges. The difference between the two models is only automatic document feeder. I use European model for unboxing in this video. First, I show what is in the box after unboxing. In the next video on this model I will set up the printer and connect to network. This model is made partly from recycling materials. Whenever unboxing a new printer, the waste becomes more and more important. There is only molded paper waste. Next, I cover the dimensions of the product. This is the box of PIXMA TS7750i. I put the dimensions on the screen for ADF and non-ADF model. And for product dimensions, it is very compact, and between the ADF and non-ADF model there is difference in the height only. In the last part you can watch my step-by-step unboxing. More unboxing videos are available in the unboxing playlist on my channel. There is only molded paper waste, which is easier to be recycled than plastic styrofoam. During the unboxing, I share some additional information. Different media can be used with PIXMA printers. And also mobile apps. Easy Photo Print Editor is a useful tool for photo print. Poster Artist is a web-based application. To log in to the link on the leaflet you need your Canon ID. A lot of possibilities can be explored. After unboxing, I dispose the paper. Here is what was in the box. And before moving to setup in the next video, I remove all the orange materials from the printer. After setup and connection to Wi-Fi, I recommend the video about advanced functions of this device, as it is full of useful features. And that would be all in this video. find more about PIXMA TS series on my channel. Feel free to comment, like and subscribe to support my channel, as this helps me to grow and create more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.